So, good morning mga ka-study buddy. Sa video ito, pag-aaralan natin ang AutoCAD Coordinate System. So, unahin natin si Absolute Coordinates. Next, si Relative Cartesian Coordinates. Si Relative Polar Coordinates. And idadagdag ko ang Direct Distance Coordinate. Okay, so alamin na natin kung ano ba yung mga yan. So, simulan na natin. Una, yung using the absolute coordinate system. You will create lines by specifying points in the absolute coordinate system. In this system, you specify the points with respect to the origin, 0, 0. A point will be specified by entering its x and y coordinates separated by a comma as shown in the figure below. So, kung naaalala nyo yung subject nyo before nung kayo ay senior high or high school, so familiar kayo sa figure na yan, di ba? Kung saan meron tayong quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, which is yung mga sign ng ating coordinates is depende sa quadrant. Sa quadrant 1, yung x nya is positive and yung y nya is positive. Sa quadrant 2, obviously negative yung x value nya and positive yung y value nya. And sa quadrant 3 is both negative, and sa quadrant 4 positive ang x value nya and negative ang y value nya. Okay, so gawin na, apply lang natin yan sa AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start. So una, yun sa ating i-off natin yung ating dynamic input. So saan ba makikita yan? Sa status bar. Sa status bar, sa pinakagilid, kung hindi nagre-reflect sa ano nyo, sa status bar nyo, punta kayo sa customization. Checkin nyo yan para mag-appear. Then turn off nyo. So paano malalaman pag naka-turn off? Pag nakakulay white siya or gray. So, naka-off yan. Okay? So, turn off natin. Okay? So, let's start. So, unang command natin is line. So, input lang natin sa command line natin is L, or kung gusto nyo sa may ribbon, click nyo lang yung line sa may ribbon panel natin. Then, line, enter. Then, specify first point, 2, 6. Okay? So, kung papansinin nyo, yung value natin is positive. So, ang point of origin natin is yung ating UCS, which is yung UCS natin is 0, 0 yung kanyang origins natin, o yung coordinates natin. Then, next natin, yung next point natin is 2, 2. Enter. Next is 12, 2. Okay, next 12, 8 and 6, 8 and close natin yung ating object by clicking the C. Automatic yan. Okay, next naman natin yung ating relative coordinate system. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung ibig sabihin yan? Okay, ano yung pagkakaiba niya sa absolute? Okay. In this example, you will draw lines by defining in its endpoints in the relative coordinate system. In the relative coordinate system, you define the location of a point with respect to the previous point. For this purpose, the symbol at is used before the point's coordinates. This symbol means that the coordinate value are defined in the relation with the previous point. Okay. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba niya sa absolute? So, simple lang. Sa absolute, meron tayong point of origin, which is 0, 0. Pero sa relative coordinate system, may relation siya dun sa previous point natin. So, yung previous point natin, yun ay magiging bagong point of origin natin. Okay? At, bago natin i-input yung value ng coordinates natin, naglalagay tayo ng symbol na at. Okay? Yun po yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Okay, so simulan po natin. Gawin natin sa AutoCAD. Ayun. So, ganun pa rin. So, input natin yung command line. Sa command line, yung line. Then, next is specify first point, 15,6. Enter. Then, yung second point, at 0, -4. Next is at 10,0. Okay. Next at 0,6. Next is 0,6. Next is at -6,0. And last is close. Okay? So, ayan po yung ating object. So, next natin is yung relative polar coordinates. So, ano ba yung relative polar coordinates? So, pag polar, so may kinalaman na si angle. So, in the polar coordinate system, you define the location of a point by entering two values, distance from the previous point and angle from the 0 degree. You enter the distance value along with the at symbol and angle value with the less than symbol. You have to make a note that AutoCAD measures the angle in anti-clockwise direction. Again, si polar coordinate system, dalawang value yung ating ini-input dyan. Yung distance at the same time, yung direction niya. So, with respect na meron tayong symbol ng at. So, yung first value niya is nire-represent niya yung distance, and yung second value niya is nire-represent niya yung direction or yung angle natin. Okay? So, let's start. Gawin natin sa AutoCAD. Okay? So, command line natin. Enter natin line or L, shortcut command. Then specify first point 2,17. Enter. Then, apply na natin yung relative polar coordinates. At 4 less than 270, enter. Sabihin, 4 yung distance niya and yung kanyang angle is 270 degree. Next, at 10 less than 0, enter. Next, at 6 less than 90, enter. Next is at 6 less than 180, and then close. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nakakapag-create tayo ng different object with different method. Okay? So, next natin yung ating direct distance entry. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin yan? Direct distance entry natin. So, in direct distance entry method, you draw a line entering each distance and angle values. So, ito turn on na natin yung ortho mode natin. So, saan makikita yun? Doon pa rin sa status bar or F8. Okay? So, kung di makita, punta ng customization, checkout para mag-appear. Then again, para makita naka-on, kailangan naka-color blue siya. Okay? So, dito sa direct distance entry, so, kung papansinin nyo, pag naka-on na yung inyong ortho mode, mapapansin nyo yung cursor ng mouse nyo. Okay? So, pag pinoint nyo ng up, left, down, and left, so ano siya, horizontal or vertical yung kalalabasan niya or magre-reflect dun sa screen natin. Okay? So, try natin. So, ibig sabihin kapag down, naka-down po yung ating mouse cursor. Pag right, naka-right. Pag up, naka-up. Pag left, naka-left. Okay? So, pansinin nyo. Diba? So, ayun po. So, pag dinown mo, naka-down. Pag naka-right, naka-right siya. Okay? So, okay. Simulan natin. So, line. Enter natin yan, yung ating sa command line natin. Okay. Then, specify next point is 15,17, enter. Then down 4, then right 10, up 6, left 6, and close. So ayan po. So pansinin nyo, in different way, same object yung nagawa natin. Again, sa AutoCAD, ano naman kumbaga walang specific na sagot, basta ma-execute mo ng maayos yung gusto mong gawin is magagawa mo. So, that's all. So, maraming salamat.